Now here's how you can make your emojis move on your iPhone. So with most of my videos, I try to cover all of the levels to this. So let's begin with the most basic. Now obviously we have the emojis right there, so you can do whatever you want, but these do not move. You are probably familiar with the animojis or memojis. These, however, can be set up or used through the Messages app. So when you open up the messages like this and you go into your iMessage chat, you can bring in the keyboard, but next to the text field, you have the plus button. So when you click on plus, you're going to scroll up like this and you're going to get to the Memoji section. So when you click on this, you'll get to this view, and now this is already a moving emoji. It is currently tracking my face, so I can wink at it like this. You can see this is right here. I can record it, say stuff, and just send it to someone. For more options, of course, we can swipe up on it and switch from this like emoji to a different one, but these that can track your face and move are kind of limited. It's not like many of them. You can see mostly like faces, right? So that's how it works. If you want to add more like layers to this, you can obviously click on the plus button and set up your very own custom memoji or Animoji, right? So you can choose the skin, like hairstyle, everything is fully customizable. So it is very useful in that sense, right? So that's how you can actually use it and how you can set up your own emoji to track your face and actually make it move, right? And now the most the difficult or like hardest level to this is to use a video editor, something like CapCut, where you could technically bring in some emoji as images, right? So let's say you have a project like this, you can just click on the plus button and choose from photos to bring in a emoji, right? So instead of emoji, I'm gonna just for this example use the Instagram, and I'm gonna choose overlay right here, right? And this essentially means that I'm gonna have like Instagram on top of this, which doesn't have to be the Instagram. You can download the emoji picture from Google and you can use the keyframe and you can animate the picture, which can be anything. Obviously, it can be the emoji, it can be a logo like that. So you can just easily animate it through a video editing software, and that's how you can make emojis move as well. But as I say, this is a little bit more advanced and you just have to know what you're doing with here. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss videos like these, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.